In this episode of the Sudenga Scoop, Sudenga Vice President Greg Versteeg gives us an up-close look at our 13-inch HOSS Portable Auger.
Coming up on our HOSS Auger here, this is a 13-inch by 82-foot long unit. A bunch of features that are really designed for operational use, ease of use, long-term maintenance, durability. This unit was designed to move grain, plain and simply. If you just start down on this, on the hitch end, nice heavy-duty hitch jack. The PTO shaft, you can see here, is extremely heavy-duty. It's going to be, when you look at the PTO shafts that Sudenga uses on their equipment, you're going to find that they are on the upper end of the required specification that's needed for the horsepower that you'll be putting through our equipment. So this PTO shaft is set up for that. Got our hydraulic hoses. Kind of a small detail that people overlook is this hydraulic shutoff valve, and that's a good way to keep the hydraulics on your tractor aren't quite as strong as they should be. You can shut that off, and the hydraulic cylinders won't sag on you. This unit has two 5-inch double hydraulic cylinders, and that makes sure you get it out of that saddle with no problems. It's a scissors lift style lift, which gives you a really good reach and elevation, but one of the rubs against the scissors lift can be that you'll get some wag in the auger when it's maybe windy or when you're going down the road. And what we've done to offset that is actually put in side truss cables on all of our HOSS augers to keep them from doing that wag that you see occasionally. Rigid on the 1382 and up, you're going to see rigid solid rod truss, top truss. Good view of our transport. Again, designed so that it doesn't have as much flex that you might see in a typical scissors lift arrangement. This particular model has truck tires on it, and you can see that we've got jack points if you need to level this transport out a bit. We're set up for a light kit here. That's an option. We come back to the hopper. This is going to be a twin auger hopper with a nice heavy manual winch. We have an electric winch option available for that, and this is a really nice option, which is the rotate kit, electric rotate kit for the hopper. There's a lot of steel in that hopper, so it does weigh a bit. So it is nice to have some electric assist in the electric winch and the electric lift kit. There's a shot of the twin augers. The 13-inch HOSS is set up to do 11,000 bushels per hour. In the 13-inch tube. You'll find that the hopper flighting and all of the inlet flightings on a HOSS are heavy steel flighting. We use ultra flight up the entire length of the auger, which is a thickened edge flighting for maximum wear and durability. We've got a great gearbox arrangement. There's some really considerate design features in our gearboxes, including a grease zerk on that top bearing of our bottom gearbox. We've got a knuckle in there which helps ensure quiet running alignment. Chain coupler on that top gearbox going into the hopper flighting. There you can see that ultra flighting that we use in our flightings. It's a good heavy profile. Essentially an oversized transition boot. Make sure you get the grain into that auger. Better shot of that electric winch kit, the hopper lift electric winch, the battery box for these electric options. Yeah, that's our HOSS 1382 Ox by Sudenga.